Oh hey, here's everything I ate in a week. For those of you who saw the previous vlog, you know that I had been marinating meat, and now it is the next day. This meat is going to come to fruition. I'm going to skewer them. The juices have been marinating. Cass is kindly cleaning up the house for me as I make us lunch. Ta-da! Our first meat skewer. And you already know rotten mango is what's going on. Ideally, you would soak the skewers for at least 20 minutes, but I have no foresight. These are gonna burn to a crisp on the grill. If you decide to make this, don't do that. Time to grill.
Feel like a man lighting my grill.
Welcome to Size Barbecue.
Oh, look who's joining us to grill.
Smells divine.
Look at my man grilling. Looking mighty fine on that grill, baby.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh yeah. How you feel, baby?
Like I should have cut this meat thinner. We live and we learn.
They smell divine. I'm gonna try a bite. Oh my god. Hi. I think in the future, I'll slice them a little thinner. And I knew that I should have done that in the moment, but I was just too lazy. I love tea. For those of you who don't know, I am a huge matcha fiend, and I've also converted Cass into being a huge matcha fiend. I've been really craving a strawberry matcha latte. Recently, I just paid $10 to have one in stores, which is the price of this entire container of matcha. So we're going to attempt to make it at home. Nothing is a better pick-me-up than a midday matcha. So let's do it. We basically have a whole coffee and tea station set up right behind us. Listen, I love a little drink. We have the matcha whisk. We got the little sifter. We got a little wooden spoon, okay? We're prepared over here. So I'm making a strawberry matcha latte. Wow. Not too shabby. Oh, well, hot diggity dog. That is a proper strawberry matcha latte. You could sell these for like $9. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Cass is being very generous. Needs work.
I loved it. Thought it was perfect.
It's more sweetener.
More sweetener. Where's Ariana Grande when you need her?
The key to this dish are mise en place. You can also prep a whole ton if you want to just eat it for the rest of the week, but I just prepped enough for a couple of meals. One of my favorite things about bún thịt nướng is the fact that it has a crunchy, crispy element to it, traditionally in the form of egg rolls or daya. But since I don't have that, I'm actually going to go ahead and air fry these frozen lumpia. They are chicken lumpia Shanghai egg rolls. I do not know if it'll be any good. I'm also pretty sure that you are technically supposed to deep fry them, but we're already making a bastardized version of bún thịt nướng anyway, so why not go all the way? This little salad mix will be the base of our bún thịt nướng. Then, of course, the noodles. Here is the bún thịt nướng, Cass's portion. They are going to do their own nước mắm over it. Ooh, okay, generous.
I like a lot, yeah. I'm very excited to try it. I've been craving this so badly.
Not too shabby. Good morning, my cutie patooties. It is the next day. It's a weekend, so Cass is home. Honestly, I am not a big breakfast person whatsoever. I did not grow up eating breakfast, and also traditional Vietnamese breakfast ingredients can be pretty hard to find in the United States. And I'm not gonna prepare like a whole fishball noodle soup, you know what I mean? But if Cass is home, usually they will make me breakfast. And recently my hyperfixation, even though I hate bread, has been bagels. There are so many delicious bagel shops around us in Boston, and it has just been marvelous. So usually as I edit, Cass will kindly bring me a bagel. Bananas don't get enough love. The editing grind never stops. This is literally what I eat every single morning. The whitefish has been our mood recently, and look, there's chicken. Desperately hoping for a bite. My Bagel. I used to hate bagels. Consider me a convert. God, that's good. So it is Sunday, which means I typically like to make a pretty big batch of something that is versatile for the week. And if you've been following me for a while, you already know our obsession with mayak eggs. They are chef's kiss. They're super simple, a great source of protein and flavor, and usually Cass and I eat at least 1 or 2 mayak eggs a day. So let's go ahead and make them. Cass also got me this limited edition Le Creuset pot. As the water comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and prep my ice bath along with the delicious sauce that it all marinates in. And this is what is going in our sauce. The water is boiling. You want to drop the eggs in relatively gently, otherwise they will crack.
Look at this situation. I'm gonna throw them in and see what happens.
And then I go for 6 minutes. You want to make sure it's ice cold. They're already starting to absorb the marinade. Goodbye, my children. I have honestly been craving instant cup noodles so badly, specifically the curry cup noodle flavor, and I thought I deserve a little treat after meal prepping. So today's lunch will be curry cup noodle. Also, I'm adding this reject egg.
Oh, can I have some, please?
That is so good. I'm gonna crack these 2 eggs in there, and we're gonna make like a little egg souffle situation. We're just gonna beat these guys. Cass is also making a matcha in the kitchen, so if you hear anything, that's what that is. I'm asking Cass to make me a matcha too. Maybe I should add 3 eggs. I cover it, and then I microwave it for 3 minutes. Second meal, a little egg souffle situation. So good. The little chunks of potatoes and meat and little bits of noodle get cooked into the egg, and it's so delicious. Here, have some. Thank you, cutie. That is spectacular. And recently, I've had a bit of a popcorn addiction, and I'm not over-exaggerating. I ordered 10 family-sized bags of popcorn, and Cass and I collectively finished 8 bags in 3 days. We're not proud of it. Snack time, snack time. I used to take the skin off, but then someone told me that all of the nutritious elements are actually on the skin. So ever since then, I've been forcing Cass to eat the skin too. Here you go.
Thank you. Yeah, good chicken.
Spin. Chicken's first persimmon. Good boy. Oh God. We've created a monster. Look at him begging for a persimmon. They're so juicy. I've been really craving Taco Bell, specifically their Cheez-It Tostada Crunch. Limited edition item. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna see if I can convince Cass to go to Taco Bell, though I'm sure they won't need that much convincing. I have officially been able to corral Cass, and of course chicken is coming with us, so we're gonna walk there.
Oh,
It's chilly.
I ain't used to this. It's California.
The promised land.
Feast.
Their new cheese fries are so scrumptious.
Scrumdiddly-yumptious.
I added lemons to it.
Whoa, like nachos.
We're gonna enjoy our Taco Bell while watching Culinary Class Wars now. See you guys tomorrow for breakfast.
Bye.
It's a gray, gloomy day today.
Breakfast delivery.
Oh! Thank you, sugar!
Pistachios. and Greek yogurt and bananas in percent.
Cass came in and just delivered a slice of bacon. They say to be loved is to be known, and Cass knew that I was craving bacon. One thing you Americans really got right: bacon. But of course, Cass did not close the friggin' door when they came in.
Eat your breakfast.
Cass is making lunch today. I have recently been obsessed with kimchi tuna melts. Literally stunning. This is so fucking fire. Poor Cass is very hungry. I've been on an instant noodle roll lately. We're gonna eat my favorite dry ramen version today, which is mee goreng or Indomie. In Vietnamese, we just refer to it as mee ko. Hopefully, I can throw some veggies in there just for some added nutrition. And we're gonna go ahead and eat that with our mayak eggs that have been marinating all night. And it's gonna be delicious. Let's cut off the bits of mold on this old zucchini. Air fryer tray. Reheating these bad boys up in the microwave. Here you go, cutie. Oh! Cheers. The arugula is a really great addition. We're gonna keep watching Jujutsu Kaisen now. It's so sad.
I'm so excited. What a great way to relax.
See you guys for breakfast tomorrow. I had no idea that we had old rice in the rice cooker, and I don't want to waste it, so I think I'm gonna make a fried rice. I have no idea how long it's been here. Hopefully it won't kill me. It doesn't smell bad though, so. Oh, shit. Cheers. Cass is on their period, so of course that means they get to eat whatever they want. And peas.
Yeah, don't discount the peas.
I could literally die happy.
Shut the fuck up.
Popeyes delivered me something. So I guess this is what we're eating for lunch. I'm literally speechless. A ghost pepper sandwich, Cajun fries, an apple cranberry sweet tea, and a chocolate chip biscuit. Wow!
Tea taste test today.
It's very sweet.
It's like a cold taste of fall.
I don't know who's on the PR team at Popeyes, but I love you. And I could give you an open mouth kiss right now. Mwah!
That's really fucking good. No! Chicken, you literally have one job. That's just to lay there. Like the way that I would be so good at your job and you fail every day. If you want Popeyes, just say that. I wish I had sauce. Same. Yeah, like a honey mustard would do this so right.
The ghost pepper that they're advertising,
It's not spicy at all. Wow. You know what? That's fun. It combines the beautiful chocolate symphony of the chocolate chip cookie. I don't like sweets or bread, so I'm not the target audience of this. Fans of chocolate, sweet things, and biscuits will be very pleased.
I mean, it's exactly what it's advertised.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Popeyes is not asking for our opinion, by the way, nor did they ask for a review.
Honestly made my day. Free food. I would say like once a conversation you give me a look, it's just like so terrifying. Like, I'm very scared. I feel like it's your ADHD being like, hello, you're in a conversation. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this.
See you guys for dinner. Oh God, it's dripping. Oh, I know it looks really burnt, but honestly, I expected so much worse. I thought it would come out so terribly that I'm happy. Ooh, okay. Let's try it. I feel like a little medieval peasant eating it.
That's fire.
You hate it.
I don't hate it. I'll take another bite.
You don't have to.
I will. You don't even give me a second to respond.
You can like it.
I like it.
It's fine.
But girl, let me try it. Ew.
I'll eat it on my own.
Why? Let me eat it. Don't make me beg. Yeah, that's a good shit.
Come and talk to me more about this quail for like 5 minutes.
What do you mean?
I just want to talk to you about it. I'm like so excited. Fucking devoured, bitches. And that was what I ate in a week. Okay, maybe not a full week, but honestly, the rest of the days I only eat leftovers and it's not that interesting to watch. I love you all so very, very, very much and I will see you in the next one. Bye!